Prague. The name itself conjures images of fairy tale castles, ancient bridges, and winding cobblestone streets. This city, with its captivating beauty and rich history, has captivated travelers for centuries. Nestled on the banks of the Vltava River, Prague exudes a timeless charm. Its skyline, pierced by countless spires, has earned it the nickname City of 100 Spires. But Prague is more than just a pretty face. It's a city with a story to tell, a story etched into its very stones. Prague's heart beats with the rhythm of history. From its medieval roots to its modern-day vibrancy, the city has witnessed empires rise and fall, leaving behind a legacy of architectural wonders and cultural treasures. Explore its hidden courtyards, wander through its grand squares, and let the spirit of Prague enchant you. But beneath its enchanting facade, Prague holds secrets. Mysteries and legends whisper from its ancient walls, inviting you to uncover the hidden depths of this captivating city. What's something people don't know about Prague? To truly understand this city, we need to journey back in time. Imagine a city where horse-drawn carriages clatter over cobblestone streets, their echoes bouncing off medieval buildings. Prague's history dates back over a millennium, a tapestry woven with threads of royalty, revolution, and resilience. From its humble beginnings as a Slavic settlement, Prague rose to prominence as the capital of the Holy Roman Empire under Charles IV. This period marked a golden age for Prague, a time of great architectural and cultural flourishing. Charles IV, a visionary ruler, envisioned a city that would rival the greatest in Europe. He commissioned the construction of the iconic Charles Bridge, connecting the Old Town with the Lesser Town, and laid the foundation stone for the magnificent St. Vitus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Prague's reputation as a center of learning and the arts flourished under Charles IV's reign. The establishment of the Charles University, the oldest university in Central Europe, drew scholars and students from far and wide, cementing Prague's place as a beacon of knowledge and enlightenment. Fast forward to the 20th century, and Prague found itself at a crossroads. After decades of political turmoil, the Velvet Revolution of 1989 ushered in a new era of freedom and democracy for the Czech Republic. With the fall of the Iron Curtain, Prague emerged from the shadows, ready to captivate the world once more. The city's well-preserved medieval architecture, untouched by the ravages of war, became an instant draw for tourists eager to experience its old-world charm. Word spread like wildfire. Prague was the place to be. Its romantic ambiance, coupled with its affordability, made it a favorite destination for couples, backpackers, and history buffs alike. Prague's tourism industry boomed, breathing new life into the city's economy. Restaurants, cafes, and shops sprang up to cater to the influx of visitors, adding to the city's vibrant energy. The Charles Bridge, once a symbol of Prague's historical significance, transformed into a bustling promenade, teeming with street performers, artists, and vendors selling souvenirs. Prague had become a tourist mecca, its streets alive with the languages and laughter of visitors from all corners of the globe. But as with any boom, there are growing pains. Prague's newfound popularity came at a cost, one that the city is still grappling with today. The sheer volume of tourists began to take a toll on the city's infrastructure and social fabric. The cobblestone streets, designed for horse-drawn carriages, struggled to cope with the constant flow of foot traffic. The once peaceful squares, now crowded with tourists, lost some of their charm. The rise in tourism also led to an increase in the cost of living, pushing many locals out of their homes as rents skyrocketed. Gentrification became a contentious issue, with some arguing that it was eroding the city's authentic character. The influx of tourists brought with it a demand for souvenirs, often mass-produced and lacking any real connection to Prague's cultural heritage. The challenge for Prague, and for many cities facing similar issues, is to find a balance between reaping the economic benefits of tourism while preserving its unique identity and ensuring that locals are not priced out of their own city. Section 5. Shadows of the Past. Yet, beneath the surface of this vibrant city lies a darker history. Prague bears the scars of a turbulent past, a reminder of the fragility of peace and the enduring resilience of the human spirit. The 20th century was particularly harsh on Prague, leaving behind a legacy of pain and remembrance. The Nazi occupation during World War II cast a long shadow over the city. Prague's once thriving Jewish community was decimated during the Holocaust, their stories etched into the very walls of the Jewish quarter. The scars of this dark period are still visible today, a stark reminder of the horrors inflicted by intolerance and hatred. Following the war, Prague fell under the control of the communist regime, a period marked by censorship, oppression, and the suppression of individual freedoms. The city's vibrant spirit was stifled, its people living under constant surveillance. But even in the darkest of times, the flame of hope flickered. Section 6. Whispers of the Golem. Despite its tumultuous past, Prague has always clung to its legends and myths. These tales, passed down through generations, add a layer of mystique to the city, blurring the lines between reality and fantasy. One such legend is that of the Golem, a creature of Jewish folklore, brought to life by a rabbi to protect Prague's Jewish community from persecution. The story goes that Rabbi Judah Lo ben Bezalel, chief rabbi of Prague in the late 16th century, created the golem from clay, using mystical powers to imbue it with life. This formidable creature, said to possess immense strength, became a symbol of hope and protection for the Jewish community. Legend has it that the golem patrolled the streets of Prague's Jewish quarter, defending its inhabitants from harm. But like all powerful beings, the golem posed a threat if its power was unchecked. But perhaps the most intriguing of Prague's mysteries lie hidden beneath its charming facade. Beneath the cobblestone streets and ancient buildings lies a network of underground tunnels and chambers, whispering tales of secret societies, forgotten history, and untold riches. These subterranean labyrinths, shrouded in darkness and legend, have captivated the imaginations of historians and adventurers alike. Some believe these tunnels served as escape routes during times of siege, allowing citizens to flee from invading armies or seek refuge from persecution. Others whisper of secret societies that once met in these subterranean chambers, their clandestine gatherings hidden from the prying eyes of the outside world. Legend has it that alchemists, those enigmatic seekers of the philosopher's stone, conducted their experiments in these hidden laboratories, attempting to unlock the secrets of transmutation and eternal life. The tunnels are also said to hold the remnants of Prague's medieval past, a time when the city's sanitation system relied on a network of underground sewers and drainage channels. Stories abound of hidden treasures concealed within the tunnels, remnants of a turbulent past when citizens sought to protect their valuables from invading armies or the chaos of revolution. Some whisper of a secret chamber beneath Prague Castle, rumored to contain the lost crown jewels of the Bohemian kings, hidden away for centuries. Others speak of a network of tunnels connecting the city's most important buildings, allowing for covert movement and communication between powerful figures. One particularly intriguing legend tells of a secret passage leading from the old town square to the banks of the Vltava River, used by kings and emperors to escape the city in times of danger. While many of these tales are likely embellishments, fueled by imagination and speculation, the existence of the tunnels themselves is undeniable. They serve as a tangible link to Prague's past, a reminder of the city's enduring ability to captivate and intrigue. Today, some sections of Prague's underground are open to the public, offering a glimpse into this hidden world. Venturing into these subterranean depths is like stepping back in time. The air is thick with the weight of history, the silence broken only by the drip of water and the echoes of your own footsteps. As you navigate the dimly lit passages, your senses come alive. You can almost hear the whispers of those who came before you, their stories etched into the rough-hewn walls. The tunnels offer a unique perspective on Prague, a glimpse into the city's hidden underbelly, where history and legend intertwine. But be warned, not all who enter these subterranean labyrinths return unchanged. Legend has it that the tunnels are haunted by the spirits of those who met their demise within their depths. Some say that the golem, no longer content to slumber beneath the old new synagogue, roams the tunnels at night, its heavy footsteps echoing through the darkness. Whether these tales are true or simply figments of the imagination, there's no denying the eerie atmosphere that pervades these underground spaces. Prague is a city of layers, each one revealing a different aspect of its rich and complex personality. From its fairy tale castles to its underground tunnels, Prague invites you to explore its hidden depths, to uncover the secrets that lie beneath its enchanting surface. So, the next time you find yourself wandering the cobblestone streets of Prague, remember that there's more to this city than meets the eye. Look beyond the tourist attractions, delve into its history, and embrace its mysteries. For within its ancient walls and beneath its cobblestone streets, Prague holds 1,000 stories waiting to be told. Are you brave enough to uncover them?